Hi there, I'm Christina from hairstyle.com, and today's video is all about my favourite kind of hairstyles, lazy hairstyles. Because pretty much I love doing hair, but I like hair that's quick, easy, fast, simple, and that looks good. And I think all of these hairstyles are so simple to do, and I'm going to be doing them all with a scrunchie. I think there's just a little detail sometimes that when you're lazy or you're running out of time and you just don't want to do your hair, using an accessory can just kind of elevate the look and make it look a little bit more intentional. And it's also fun. Adding an accessory just adds a bit of colour, and I've got some really fun scrunchies and some super simple hairstyles. So let's get started. So the first hairstyle is a half-up bun. When you're taking the hair for the bun, you can leave some pieces out at the front if you want. I might leave a few pieces down, or you can add all of your hair back in. It's up to you. And the trick when you're pulling the section back is not to take all of the hair. If you leave a little bit more, almost like just taking the edge of this section, leaves more hair down below, especially if you've got fine hair, to make your hair look a lot thicker. When you do this half-up bun, it's really simple. I put my scrunchie around my fingers first, pull the pony through, twist, and then on the next one through, I just loop, so that I don't pull the hair all the way through, I just leave it sticking there half out. So I'll show you that again with my back to you. So holding your fingers through the scrunchie, pull it through once, twist, and then loop back through. And then I just sort of pull the scrunchie so you can see it a little bit more. You can fan the hair out and just loosen that there. Now, one trick I like to do is just to pull the sides down a little bit, like just to cover up any regrowth or just to move that around a little bit easier. Oh, I've totally left a piece of hair out. Am I gonna have to do this one again? No, I'm not gonna do this one again. I'm gonna show you. Say you left a giant piece of hair out. That's okay. What you do is you just take it and you wind it around the bottom and just tuck it in there. It's the best thing with messy hair. You don't have to do it again. Just tuck it in. That's my little trick. An unexpected trick for when you leave a whole section out. And that's really it. It's super cute, really fun. You can do it right on top of your head if you want one that's a little bit higher that you can see from the front. It's really cute. You can do two of these half-up ones as well, would be extra cute. But yeah, that's it. Super simple half-up bun. All right, let's get going for style number 2. Now for style number 2, I'm going to do a top knot. It's my easy, messy bun. I do this all the time, and often if you come around to my house, you'll see me wearing this when I'm around the house, just working on my computer. It's my go-to. It's great, gets all your hair off your neck, and the easiest way to do it is to flip your head upside down. So flip your hair all the way over. Until you get it into a ponytail that's right on top of your head. And then once it's all up, I do a similar sort of thing where I've got the scrunchie around my hand that's holding the base of that pony, and I pull it through once, twist, and then I bring the hair forward, because on this twist back through, I'm going to leave a lot of these pieces out at the front. Like you can, depending on how long your hair is, you can almost create a faux fringe, or you might want to tuck these around the base of the pony. I like to just kind of fan them around, shape that scrunchie so you can still see it, and then fan that bun round. Tuck them underneath. It's entirely up to you as to how you like to style it. For me, I like to sort of leave a few pieces around the front here and just tuck them down the sides. But it's such a comfortable messy bun because it's right on top of your head. It's really easy to wear, and it's lots of fun. It's super comfy. There's an extra twist on this top knot where you can flip it back and leave the ends at the back, which I will show you now. So for the back flip pony, we're going to do the same sort of thing. Flip your hair over or to the side if you have trouble getting upside down. Just makes it easier to get all of your hair up as high as possible. And similar technique, we're going to hold the base, bring the scrunchie around once, twist it, and this time the pony is at the back and we're going to leave the ends out at the back. Reshape your scrunchie a little, fan the bun around, and leave all the ends loose out at the back. Really simple, super comfy, and the best bit, all your hair out of the way. Like, I really just hate moving my hair out of the way all day. So having a little piece like this, you can pull some pieces out at the front. If you've got bangs, leave them out. This is just simple go-to, one scrunchie, that's it. Also a little shout out to local brand Scrunchie Co. I bought some of their scrunchies. I bought them with my own money because I thought they were so great. They did some beautiful designs for NAIDOC week here in Australia, and they were so cute. And then they reached out to me and sent me a couple of their little watercolor tie-dye velvet ones, which are super pretty. So I think this is a really lovely scrunchie brand if you're looking for some new scrunchies. And in my next style, I'm going to use 2 of these to create some cute little low buns. Now this style is exactly the same technique as my buns that sort of loop through, basically because it's my favorite way of doing buns. It's really easy, it can look quite cute, it makes the ends all in the same direction. So for this one, I'm going to split my hair in half, and I'm going to leave out a few pieces at the front, I think. Whatever works for your hair. And split my hair into 2 equal sections. Now when you're splitting your curly hair, always try and keep whole curls together, create less frizz that way, and a little bit easier to style. Leaving those front sections out, I'm going to grab one side and just do the same flip through, twist, turn, and loop. And I'm going to repeat that on the other side, making sure just to actually leave those pieces out the front. It's really easy just to pick them up. And twist and loop. And then just fan them out. You can leave the ends out underneath. This is also really cute as a high double bun style too. This is great if you're wearing a hat. It'll fit underneath. I also have some other hat hairstyles. This is just the quick, easy version. Really cute with the scrunchies. They don't need to match. Cute if they do, doesn't matter if they don't. And it's a fun, easy way just to put your hair up and out of the way. Now, it wouldn't be a lazy, messy hairstyles video if I didn't do a ponytail, right? I don't normally wear a lot of ponytails, mainly because I got into braiding because I didn't like the way my hair looked in a ponytail. But that doesn't really matter. I think all ponytails are cute. And I'm going to show you a few tricks on how to get like a more bouncy ponytail. So with a bouncy ponytail, I like to put them around the crown of my head. So if you feel at the back of your head, there's a little bone there, that's called the occipital bone. And most of the time you put your pony sort of around there. It's good, it's fine. It's just like that sort of classic height. And so I think it can either be kind of cool and more boho to go for like a low pony. You can even just loop that down, and even like dropping the scrunchie down a little bit lower is a really cute low ponytail. And something a bit more bouncy, a bit higher, I'm going to show you. So with these, I don't go as high as when I'm doing a top knot, but it's sort of close. Just going to lift all my hair to about the crown of my head, and I'm going to pick all this hair up into it. Maybe leave a few pieces out. And if you've got curly, messy, wavy hair, whatever your hair texture, you just go with it. You could use a brush, not in curls. I'm going to leave that alone so I can not create too much frizz, though there is something I do love about a brushed out curl. But not today. We're just going to keep it really simple and going for that space that's just above the crown of your head. Now the trick when I'm doing this is another classic, just twist around. These scrunchies are good that they just fit twice around my hair, but grab a second scrunchie. That is the trick to get it having a little bit more bounce, a little bit more height, and also to get the tension right for your hair. Now with both of them there, it just gives it that little bit more distance. It's a bit more fun, And the way I tighten the ponytail is I actually pull from the center and pull that a little bit tighter. That helps to lift the ponytail a little bit more. And you can also just, if you've got messy curls, spritz it with a little bit of water, scrunch it up, add a bit of little leave-in conditioner if your hair is curly, or if you've got straight hair and you want just a little bit more lift in there, a little bit of volume powder or dry shampoo, and shake that through will just give you that perfect kind of messy high pony. And the thing I like about when you've got double scrunchie in there as well is you get a little bit more color, a little bit more detail, and this is kind of fun. So this isn't anything special, but it's just an easy way to wear a high pony, double up your scrunchie, just gives it that little bit of extra height and hold and makes it stand out a little bit further. So tell me, which one was your favorite hairstyle? Let me know in the comments below, and you can also ask me any hair questions there too. Over on hairromance.com, I've got lots more tips and tutorials, and if you hit subscribe, you'll be the first to see my next video. Thank you so much for watching, have fun with your hair, and I'll see you next time. Bye.